in your beautiful Vijayawada city in Andhra Pradesh. And it is my pleasure to be invited and as an this opportunity to give up my press conference with regard to my participation, dedication in this international multilingual, 4th editions of International Multilingual Poets Meet 2018 and launch of Amarvati Poetic Prism 2018. It is indeed a very good experience on my part, since this was my second international dedication in an international poetic events like this. Thank you to Madam Paddy for giving me a warm invitation to be a part of this international poetic events. So I had contributed around 3 numbers of poems, one in my own native language Nar, with a poem entitled Ask Kaching in Bakodra, The Precious Life, and one poem in my in Khasi language, which is known Kamariang Bae, and one poem in English, The New Dawn of Hope. It is indeed a very good experience for me to be able to participate in such an important international poetic event, where I could have been able to meet international poets from different parts of the globe. For your kind information, there are around 164 poets coming from different parts of the globe, and then with a majority, a good numbers of poets from India. So this is today's program, and it will be ended tomorrow at 11. And it is a good experience all in all. And for your kind information, I am quite a newborn poet, and which is only 4 years old, when I switched over to this field soon, only after my voluntary retirement. So I had already composed around 60 poems, and I also have been awarded by different literary society in different times. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to speak to the media like you. Thank you so much.